Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am sharing entry number 7 into my Anything Goes paper crafting challenge. And this entry is from, I believe it's pronounced Lene, from Fashionably 50 Something and Beyond. Thank you so much for entering my Anything Goes paper crafting challenge. So far all I've done is cut the package open and let's see what we have inside. She left me a note, so I'm going to take a quick moment to read that. Thank you so much. So she wrote this cute little note to me with this really pretty card. Thank you so much, Lene. Your note was very sweet. And let's dig into this package. Oh, wow, so pretty. So she said that this is a pocket letter that she created using the coupon folder from the dollar store. This is so unique. So she has it together with this hairband, I believe is what these are. Very pretty. That's such a nice color. And this is also her ATC card. She has it in this really pretty bag. Take a look at that. Thank you for that information about you on the back. And let's take a look at this. What a unique idea this is. So on the first page, there may be a glare. I'm going to try and tip it so there's not. But she has included this very cool pineapple cutout. It's like a felt. And then these really pretty stickers. Very nice. And this, I believe, is the wrapping paper from the Dollar Tree as well. And on this side, she has this really beautiful tag and a piece of ephemera. So sweet. And on this side, she has these handmade rosettes using the same paper, and she has little stickers on the centers of them. Those are so sweet. Thank you for those. And this side, she has included, put this back on the backing there. She has some ephemera pieces. These are great for my stash. And then she's included this so adorable notebook. Oh, I love this. It has polka dots and it's lined and it's super cute and pink. Thank you for that. That's gonna go so perfect in my notebook collection. And so this is a pull out. I've never seen one of these coupon books before. So on here she's included some die cuts and journaling pieces. These are wonderful. I love these. And oh wow, it just keeps going on. On this side, she has, oh, this is a nail file with a case. How fun is that? So cute. And on this side, she has these handmade tickets. And she has something on these, like some kind of seal. Very nice. So thoughtful. This is such a unique item. And then she's also included, oh, this very fancy paper facial mask, rose water and aloe. How fun. And this very adorable pouch that I could use either for my beauty products or I could fit some crafting supplies in here. Wow, this is such a unique project. Thank you so much, Lene, for sending me such wonderful goodies. I appreciate it so much. This is so unique and very, very cool. I'm very happy to be adding all these pieces of wonderful ephemera to my collection. And I do know that you have done a VR, so I have your 2 tickets here. One is for your VR and one is for your entry. And there we go. Gonna label them as Fashion 50. All right, got my my jug here. 2 entries going in the mix. All right, guys, so that's my entry number 7 from Lene. I will link her channel down below. Thank you again, Lene, so much for sending me such a wonderful project and for entering my challenge. Thank you guys so much. Bye.